I've got the textbook understanding of more than 400 points on the human body, more than that. I mean, if you look at the ear, there's probably a million in the ear alone. There may be a textbook way to deal with loss of smell and taste, for example, but like when it comes down to actually inserting the needle, there's just this resonance of like, well, I know what my colleagues would be doing, and I know what I've read and like what people have said, and they've had success in there's several treatments and yada yada yada, and then I'm just like, nope, it's this point, this is the one that I'm gonna use, and boom, just immediate. So there's I think a degree of intuition that most certainly goes into my practice and how I inform myself. You know, a small prick in an elbow is maybe, you know, nothing in comparison to the months of constipation that you've endured. They're so small and so effective in the ways that they tap into the human energy system and the electrical impulses. And, you know, if tapping into that results in a little bit of pain, but for the rest of the month you get to have a nice bowel movement every morning, then what's the downside to that? I have helped with asthma, I've helped with high blood pressure, bladder prolapse, eczema, psoriasis, migraines, frozen shoulder. I've turned a breached baby. I have helped someone successfully pass a kidney stone in one treatment. Low back pain, neck pain, loss of smelling, loss of taste, tinnitus, like some ear ringing, yeah, you name it. Acupuncturists can be considered physical therapists for the nerves, and that's because the human body is an electrical being. And so when an individual is out of balance, the electric pathways are sort of blocked or impeded or are even traveling in the wrong direction. And what happens with a needle is that it just taps into that electricity and causes a chain reaction that can reduce pain or just alerts your body that like, wait, there is something that's not going correctly, and how can I reverse course or even correct what's out of alignment? So my massage is a hybrid of shiatsu and tuina, and I incorporate some Thai mobilization for hips and shoulders. I offer 60, 75, 90 minute and 2-hour sessions, but my signature time is 90 minutes. I feel like whatever somebody says is bothering them that day, then I'm able to use the time to address that problem, as well as sort of like, no, okay, well, you know, you're probably having shoulder issues and you've probably got some left hip pain too, so, you know, incorporate that into it. I get to change people's lives. I get to be the individual that can be like, yeah, I'm so sorry that you haven't been able to find the help that you need, and you know, I may not be that person that's going to be able to fix everything, but I can most certainly get you started on this path, and I can refer you to people that are in line with what you need and how to just make your life awesome and thrive.